So ayun guys, pauwi na tayo guys, samahan niyo ako. So, go. Alright. So ayun guys, may pipikapin tayo, dog food, 3 kilong dog food. 3 kilo lang dog food, di-deliver natin. So, paid by credit card. Dito lang sa may Tandang Sora. So, pick up tayo, pauwi. So, tayo naman di ba? Dito naman tayo dadaan. Alright, let's go sa Kumoto Vlog. Don't know what you say now. I don't know what you want. I don't know what you do. Complicated heart. This is your hand. What can that help you? Before I go it all. Even if you want to go alone, I'll be waiting when you come. Oh, you really can stop it. You and me. Mag-pick up muna tayo dito sa Tandang Sora. Deliver din natin na Tandang Sora. Yeah, boy. Even if you want to go alone, I'll be waiting when you're coming home. And why you wanted me there? If you need someone to lead the way, and you can leave on me, even if you want to go alone. I'm ready. Nakakatakot. Ay, yung utang dito, nakakanta. Ah, lalim. Grabe, lalim. Lalim. Saka na yung utang dito nang wala. Oh, wala kang U-turn. Sarado yung U-turn. Oh, sarado po yung U-turn eh. Oh, ha? Sarado po yung U-turn dito. Hindi tayo mag-U-turn sa banda rito. Even if you want to go. Hindi na tayo mag-U-turn guys. Parang bensado na to ah. Meron ka ah. Darling, I'll be waiting when you're coming home. Grabe, mahal dito oh. Mahal dito oh. Even if you want. Traffic talaga tong park na to, no? Mamaya, saan ako sasama? Sana mayroon akong makuha ang booking pa. Paano naman, pauwi. Para, di ba? Hindi tayo yung biyahe natin pauwi, di ba? Ano ba yun? Even if you want to go alone, I'll be waiting when you're coming home. Okay, paano na tayo? Turn right. Even if you want to go alone, I'll be waiting when you're coming home. Ah, dito pala eh.